Hello guys and welcome on another review. As you can notice in the title, it's another AirPods review. Yes, maybe people think I'm an AirPods master because every time they send me AirPods. This one is the third time or fourth time I received some AirPods. I don't know why, don't ask me. The box is the usual paper box, very good. I really like the paper box. They are very simple and I really love them. I prefer to the very colored one actually. Open this one. This time it was easy to open. And check the inside. The inside we have here, I think, the main AirPods. Very strongly closed. Okay. I don't need this anymore. Okay, if you have seen the previous review of the other AirPods, one of the things I don't like about them, for me it's not comfortable. Wait a second, I have the AirPods here. Okay, here the other AirPods I was talking about. I don't like this part so much because I find it not comfortable. And here, as you can see, we have another system. They are very small. Please focus, thank you camera. Very small. We have this little part to make steady in the ear. You can change, yes, you can change of course this part, and I think we will find some replacement. Here you can see we find the user manual that, as always, I will not use because I don't like the user manual. Here we have a lot of paper. Oh, okay, I really like this. Of course we have the replacement and USB cable. Okay, this one is a standard micro USB cable, and here we have a lot of replacement. Just check what we have. There is a lot of stuff actually. Okay, we have replacement. Okay, now I understand. Perfect. So we have replacement also. Oh, they are magnetic. I didn't notice before. Oh, very good. I like it. So we have replacement both for this part of the AirPods and also this one. So we have, as you can see, different replacement here. This one is a little bigger. This one is bigger and also different shape. Oh, I really like this. We have different shape and different replacement. We have this one is for the cable and also this one is for the cable. Okay, for now I really love these AirPods. Let's see what we have. Okay, we have a flat cable and I love the flat cables. They are magnetic, so they are very comfortable to take. I think the charger is, yes, the charger is here. I need to check how to open. Oh, okay, it's very easy to open. I like this. It's not heavy, so also if you have on your ears, this part is not heavy. This one are magnetic, and I really love this one. For example, wait a second. The other AirPods have this bigger box to take with you. It's very strong, it's very good, but for me it's too big. This one can easily be folded and took with you. So I prefer this kind, I really like it. And I think we can just try them. Okay, there is a LED here, you can see. It's in peric mode. ATGOIN, yes, this one. Perfect. I think we can open a video to check if they works. As always, we find a very good video from a very good channel, so I recommend you this channel, TheDarthDesigner, make good videos. And this one has music. Okay, the video is started and I think we can make the volume up to maximum here. Now I think you can notice the music. Sorry, I need to take out this thing. You can notice the music even from here because they are very strong. I love they are magnetic. Just wait a minute, I will try them, the sounds, and tell you how it works. Okay guys, I'm back. I told you a few seconds, but actually I played a lot with them. I tried also different kind of combination. I tried this other sides of this part, also this part, and my favorite until now is this sort of round one. It's very soft and very comfortable. I really like it. The audio, I really like it. It's very strong. You can hear them very well. The audio is so strong that it's the maximum. Now it's maximum, so you can hear a little, but actually it's too strong and makes hurt your ears, so the maximum volume is even too much. Some pros, I really love the shape. They are very comfortable. I prefer to the previous one. And I like the button here. They are very comfortable to press. It's not a problem when you are walking because it's not heavy, it's very comfortable. I tried also to charge. It's very fast to open it and close it. It's not difficult to open. Of course, now I'm on the video, I need to have problem. Okay, sorry. Only one problem here, where is focus? Thank you. Here there is a little LED. When they are on, this LED starts blinking every time, and in the dark is not very good. So probably I will just cover with some scotch or scotch paper or similar. It's the only problem I found until now. For everything else, I really love them. They are my favorite Bluetooth earpods. I tried for some hours without problem. I'm not sure about the 8 hours, I remember, yes, it's up to 8 hours. It's not a big deal. Usually I don't use them for so long without charging, so it's not a problem. I really love the accessories. We have a lot of combination possible, so I think it's impossible to not find the right combination for your ears. If your ear is bigger, smaller, more delicate. For me, for example, sometimes the ear starts hurting after a while. I just changed it to this because I found it interesting. I wanted to try and I love them. I will not change anymore. They will be always with me. I didn't use the clip. Okay, I don't have the clip anymore, so I can't use it. Goodbye clip. I think it's not needed. They are very comfortable also without the clip. You don't need it to make them steady. It's very steady just by itself thanks to the flat cable. I really love them. I didn't expect actually. I thought they were worse respect the other I tried because they are smaller, but I love them. I really love this kind of, oh, the magnetic part. I really love this little, these little things. The magnetic part, it's so funny, so awesome, and they are comfortable. Also, when you have with you, you can just put like this, and they make a necklace like this. It's easier to transport. They don't need a lot of space for the transport. I usually use like this. Before I told you that I prefer this kind of transportation because you can fold them and make it smaller, but actually I'm not even using this one. They are so small and so comfortable like this. I really love them. If you ask me which one you would buy from this and the previous one, for me I will choose definitively this one. I'm glad that they sent me for this review, so completely promote it. They works very well with the phone. The range says it's up to 10 meters. Sometimes I just put the phone somewhere, go around the house with the phone. I never lost the connection. So the phone is always with me in the pocket or in the jacket. So I never had the problem with the distance. I found it very good. They are waterproof, sweat-proof, every-proof. They resist to everything. They are comfortable. The sound is great. The only bad things is the one I told you before. This little LED that sometimes lights to tell you, hey, I'm working. Yes, I know you are working. I don't need these lights. During the day you don't notice it, but in the night when you shut down the lights, it's too much strong. Depends on you. If you sleep with the AirPods, listening to the music, maybe it's not so comfortable, but the position is good because here you can just put some scotch paper and you solve the problem. The price is also very low, as you can notice in the link in description. The price is low, the accessories are a lot. I like the bag, I like the shape, they are light. everything. I love these earpods. Promoted. Me and Dart approved them, and with this unboxing and review it's all. You will soon see another review, this time about this phone. The review was my first English review I made before this video, but will be the next one. So I hope you will find these things a little funny. I love the magnetic. I love this. Sometimes I just play like this. Okay, I know it's stupid, but it's so fun. Saying that, see you soon in the next video, and goodbye. Excellent.